Okay guys, 2018 Dodge Charger SXT, but they put exhaust, Hellcat rear bumper, hood and front bumper, red brakes, brand new wheels and tires. Does only come with the 3.6, so not an official Hellcat. You can see it's got the better looking bumper, good looking hood with the scoops, brand new tires. Is a rebuilt title, did have some front end damage on it. It's wrecked at 31,000 miles, so been driven out for a few years since repair. Backup camera, your different apps. Cruise control. Power windows and locks. You can hear this exhaust. It's gonna make it breathe better, get better gas mileage. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.